Here she goes.
Wow, that is amazing.
That is amazing.
All that digging for that. She knew it was time.
That was what she was doing it here.
Right in our driveway.
But she's smart. Cars might come that way, so she's smart.
She's probably getting ready again. No, she's trying to push up. She had twins.
When? We just waited for all this nothing.
Rhea, good thing you saw her doing this.
You mean Ella?
No, I think you saw her digging the hole from the window.
I did. I saw the turtle first. I said, oh my gosh, that turtle. Don't touch it, okay? I'll look at it now. I really could kill her. You tried it.
Look, she kicks him out of the way so she can lay more. That's amazing.
I thought they did that and didn't push them.
Yeah, they can push him.
Here she goes. Oh no.
Go back up just a little bit.
It's kind of scary how they have to like it looks kind of freaky. I know. That is kind of
Come on this side, okay? I'm gonna take a picture. Walk on this side.
Look at my honey. That one Isabella and that one Barbie. Oh, excuse me, kids. Hi, Isabella. Hi, Barbie. From this end.
Here comes Ella. Here comes another one.
Oh, it's so pretty.
That's amazing.
I wonder what she's gonna do. I'm sorry, did you say something that you found online? How many they do?
No, the video we watched, she did like 4.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So how long do you say when they're born?
3 months, I'd say.
I have to watch CBC Quality come here. That's good. They'll probably have them doing that. Let's get your head a little bit inside.
She's trying to push it on the way.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's
We need to let her do it. She knows what she's doing.
sweet.
Yeah, and then she'll carry him after.
So she's up to 3.
Mm-hmm. Triplets.
Sometimes I have to go out and adopt him, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Trying to make room for the number 4. She's like, okay, it's time.
She's got that head sticking out pretty good. The guys when she stretches.
She's still trying to kick it out of the way a little bit.
Oh, she put her head in. Maybe she's gonna get ready.
Yep, yep, yep. Wow. She's got 4 now.
I wonder if she's gonna do more.
I don't know.
That'd be amazing. I know she is because she's kicking them out the way. I love your eggs, oh girl. It looks so adorable. Eggs on her. Oh, I know what she's trying to take. She's trying to take the dirt off of it. Like, is that like dirt? She might have 5. How much is that? She might have 6. I mean, how much is that?
She's up to 4. Now she's going for another one, looks like.
She's pushing it out the way. Good girl. Ooh, she's moving.
Yep, she's
It's like she
making
doesn't- It's almost like she doesn't want them on top of each other. Maybe that hurts some or
Mhm.
something. Should I think, is there room for one more? She's trying to kick it out of the way just in case. She's doing it.
She's taking a little rest.
A little rest.
I bet it's tough, isn't it?
It's tough because you're like, just one little hole. You have to take a big egg out.
She's resting.
Oh, just do it again, do it again. Do it again. Oh, cool. I mean, that one. Yeah, that one. Triple and Dippy. Can I name the next one? If she has no next one. I think she has. Because her butt is big.
I was an ant. Heck. You don't get my shot, buddy. Photobomb me.
I'm going to kill it.
No, Rhea. It's okay.
Now be very protective of her eggs, though, right? We're going to work together to watch them.
Well, she's going to bury him.
Yeah, but still the car might go again.
Right now we scared her and she's
She's probably changing modes now. She's only done 4?
Yeah.
She's going to do another one. Oh,
So she's going to turn around and dig out these.
no. But she's getting a little bit of dirt because it keeps on falling in. Okay, don't get scared. Do your eggs. Any fun of us. It's okay, alright? Like, watching you do pirate stuff. This is eggs.
She's pregnant.